What's up? It's Brad. I'm about to fucking smash this food. Holy fuck, dude. There's so much right here. This is a lot of fucking food. Oh, already too got the soda, so this is gonna make me extra. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna burp a fuck ton. Oh, yeah. All right, let's dig into this shit. Look at that. Oh, this shit smells so fucking good. Oh. Damn, this shit's fucking fire. Look. Oh, this is so good. Oh. Oh. I need more of this. Right. Need some soda, wash it down. Oh. Alright, this is so good. This made me feel so full. Oh. Oh, it made me feel so fucking stuffed. Oh, it's making me so stuffed. Some of this. Oh, it's making me so stuffed. Oh. I haven't done this too in a while. Oops. Okay. Excuse me. Fuck. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's making me so stuffed. Oh. Oh, that shit was so stuffed. Yeah, there's nothing really else to talk about. Seven bastards. I'm gonna do more, dude. Oh, fuck. Excuse me. Oh, I'm kidding. Oh, fuck, so fucking full. I can't even keep this on anymore. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh. Oh, it makes me so stuffed. Oh. That was good. Oh. Gonna be so fucking stuffed. Oh, excuse me. Oh. 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 Fuck. You guys wish you could burp like that. Fuck. Because I'm the best. Oh, fuck, all this food's making me so stuffed. The sun's coming out too. Oh. Wait a second for that. Oh, drinking anything. It's getting so stuffed. Oh, damn. Oh, fuck. Oh, damn it. I mean, fucking say. Oh. Oh, man. Fucking burping 2 days in a row. Fuck. Oh. Yeah, that's some fucking loud ones.
That was a big one, bro,
fucking,
wasn't it?
Yeah, fucking powerful ass fucking burps. Yeah, I'm just fucking better. Oh. Fuck. Excuse me. There. Oh. Oh, excuse me.
So when's the most you've ever burped? Like at a baseball game, or when did you ever have a burp contest with your friends?
Yeah, I mean, kind of just fucking around a little bit.
You always won.
Oh yeah, especially when I'm drinking anything.
It's bass. They want to hear this. They have good sound. And I mean, there are also, I was going to say, when you're ready again, take your time. Closed mouth burps when you have the food in your mouth. Do closed mouth burps.
That was hard because I was fucking just already got food in there and trying to burp it out too.
But you can do it.
It's one way or what?
But you can do it, Brad, because you're the best. You're Superman.
Well, all this is gonna make me need to take a piss in a second, man.
We'll take
fucking fluid.
Actually, when you're done, we'll take a break. So I'll eat. I can eat, and then we'll
Oh.
Yeah, totally.
Just getting some stuff.
Haven't you been burping on command without soda?
Yeah, but
Yeah, you don't need
it's a lot easier. Fucking.
So you're gonna eat.
Windpipe's
You're gonna eat
tired
Honey Nut
doing that
Cheerios. What do you need? Some soda to make you burp?
Damn.
I can go down and I can go down and get everything for tomorrow too. After we're done breaking and eating, that way we'll have it, and then whatever you want to drink. I don't need you to drink any soda when you're eating the Honey Nut Cheerios. Just you still get decent amounts of burps.
Yeah.
But you'll have a rest so you don't get too sick.
You know, I was like, need a little breatheway for my airways. Shit fucking comes out loud.
Well, we don't mind you being muffled with the Cheerios. That's more of a lazy kind of thing.
Okay. That shit's alright. Shit's way better
What's better?
than that. Fuck the coleslaw. Shit. Chicken fingers are fucking good. Fries and shit. So fucking good. Alright.
Brad's the coolest dude, by the way. He said he's a pleasure to work with. You have no idea how cool he is.